It's another wonderful day in Kathmandu, and today we are off to visit a felt factory up in the hills, again outside the city. It's a family business, mother and father, son and daughter, and Rohan, the son, has come along to pick us up. As we drive out of the city, I introduce Rohan to Tony, our man from Spain. It's his first time to visit this factory, and like me, he's super excited to see what goes on. We arrive in the first place they show us is the raw wool store. Now the wool mostly comes from New Zealand because there's not enough local supplies. We get an intensive tour of the factory and we can see that the working conditions are very good. The son and the daughter are very much involved in the marketing and design side, and the mother still works on the factory floor alongside the artisans, helping create new designs, helping train new workers. The people who turn that raw wool into amazing things just by magic, it seems, by kneading, shaping it, stretching it, pulling it around, and magically out of thin air, like bags and children's toys and hats, all sorts of things appear. You see this one guy bouncing around with lots of energy, and Tony wants to try what he's doing, so we let him have a go. See, watch. Pretty cool, huh? One floor up, there's the needling area. And these ladies, with a needle and some coloured wool, make all sorts of patterns, flowers, faces, shapes, pure works of art, just by needling the wool into the wool. Incredible. You've got to see it to believe it. So we're in the showroom checking out the products. We've brought some of our own designs which we hand over. They're going to make samples for us. In the next few days, hopefully some of those samples will turn into a purchase order and we can develop the business here and help them grow and employ more people. Let's just hope it works out. For now, we have to take our leave and say goodbye. It's been very nice visiting this place, and let's see what we can do.